Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change lead owner in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to search and find our leads. So we can search for them, for example, from here. You can search for your leads in the search section, or you can go to the app launcher and type leads and we will find our leads, or you can simply find them here in your navbar. If you can't find them in your navbar, you can personalize it and add more item. Go to all and search for leads. I already have it, so that's why it's not added in my items, and I already have it here in my navbar. So after going to the leads, we need to choose any lead that we want to change its ownership. So from here, we can find all these views or sections, and we can simply find here the edit. But if we click on edit, we can see that we cannot change the lead owner. So we need to go around and find where or a way to change the ownership of this lead. So simply, we need just to find its details or the detailed informations of this lead. So we can find it here in the center by going to this details section or tab. So by going to the detail here, we can find all this information. And one of them is the lead owner. And of course, it provides us with the change owner button for this lead. So we can click on change owner, and from here we can choose the new owner for this lead or the users. And of course, you need to have the list of users here, and you can check the send notification email so you can be able to uh, notify them that you have changed the ownership. We click on change ownership, and now it will be added in the activities. So as you can see, now we have a new activity that we have added. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.